Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You power on the Chromebook, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Google account so settings and files sync across devices. Once done, enable automatic updates to keep security current. This reduces future interruptions. Make sure to pick single user or multi-user sign in depending on who uses the device, and enable guest mode if you want temporary access without saved data. This gets you into Chrome OS fast and ensures your profile, bookmarks, and extensions start restoring immediately. You now install core apps. Open the Play Store for Android apps and enable Linux apps in settings if you need developer tools. This expands capabilities beyond web apps. Next, make Drive available offline so files remain accessible without a connection, and clean up the Downloads folder into clear folders to speed searches. Then adjust display, keyboard, and touchpad settings for comfort. Finally, review privacy controls to limit sharing and set app permissions. These steps optimize daily workflows and reliability. You finish by restarting to confirm updates applied and sync completed. Check extensions, connected printers, and peripheral settings to ensure everything responds. If Chrome OS won't boot or shows corruption, create a recovery USB with the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer and follow the guided restore instructions. Make sure to back up important Drive files first, because recovery wipes local storage. If hardware problems remain, run the built-in diagnostics and share system logs with support so they can pinpoint issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.